Hey friends, if you want to know how you can make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So if you are having that Wi-Fi signal which is slow and you want to make it faster, then this video is for you. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button. Then here in the search bar, type control panel. Best match will appear. Click on that. Now here in the control panel window, if this is viewed by category, then that is good. But if this is viewed in large icons, just simply change this to category. Then click on the network and the internet. Now you have two options right here, network and sharing center and the internet options. Now you have to click on network and sharing center. Then you have to click on your Wi-Fi, your internet. Then here you have this properties button. Then you have to click on the properties button. And you will find this Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Click on that. Then click on properties. Now in the IPv4 properties, you have to click on this use the following DNS server addresses. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. Then still in the Wi-Fi properties window, you have this configure button. Now you have to click on this. Then click on yes. Then here in the Wi-Fi adapter properties, so this is my Wi-Fi Realtek adapter properties. You have the general, advanced, driver, and the details events tab. You have to click on the advanced tab. Now you have here the properties. Now look for the fat channel. This one, fat channel intolerant. Now simply change this to enabled. Now once that is enabled, simply click on the roaming aggressiveness. Then if this is lowest, medium low, medium high, highest, you have to choose either lowest or the medium low. Because the lower the roaming aggressiveness, the higher the internet speed. So you have to click on the lowest or the medium low. And once done, you just have to simply click on OK. And obviously, you will be disconnected from Wi-Fi, but you will be reconnected once again and click on OK again. Then close this window and then you just have to click on the Wi-Fi icon. And then you'll be connected back again. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.